On this mind-blowingly quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your passenger rating on the Uber app. I'm on it right now, as you can see. So all you have to do is go to account and boom, it's right there. You can see my rating right now is 4.94. Now, if you want to see more in-depth analytics, here's what you want to do. First thing is click settings. Once you click settings, you then want to click privacy. After that, you can see right here, would you like to see a summary of how you use Uber? Click see summary. After that, scroll down. You can see some analytics right here. Here are my current analytics. I'm gonna go to browse your data, go down a little bit, and then go to ratings. Then I'm gonna click view my ratings. Now, once I do, I can see my exact rider ratings. You can see right here, again, 4.94 is my average. I can see how many 5-star ratings I have, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, and then lastly, 1-star.